everyone! Today we're making something super yummy, a fish curry from India. It's got amazing flavors from Goa and Kerala, two places in India near the ocean. This curry is full of good smells, spices, and creamy coconut milk. Your mouth will thank you. First, we need fish. About a pound of a firm white fish like cod or snapper will do. We'll sprinkle it with turmeric powder, red chili powder, and a little salt. Let it sit for 15 minutes to soak up all those flavors. Now grab a pan and heat up some coconut oil. Add mustard seeds and let them pop. Then toss in some curry leaves and green chilies. It's going to smell amazing. Next, add chopped onions and cook them until they're golden brown. Put in some chopped ginger and garlic and cook until your kitchen smells wonderful. Now, add chopped tomatoes and cook them until they get soft. This is where the wonder starts. Add turmeric, red chili powder, coriander powder, and if you like it spicy, some garam masala. Pour in thick coconut milk and some water or fish broth. Mix it all up and let it boil gently. Let's add some tamarind to make it a little tangy. Add salt if you need to. Carefully put the fish in and let it cook for about 7 to 10 minutes. Don't stir too much. We want the fish to stay in nice pieces. Almost done. Turn off the heat and sprinkle some fresh coriander leaves on top. Serve it hot with rice or Indian bread like appam or parathas. Want to make it like they do in Goa? Add a splash of vinegar. For a Kerala-style curry, use kokum or green mango. That's it. You've made a delicious Indian fish curry. It's creamy, spicy, and so flavorful. Tell me how yours turned out in the comments. Happy cooking!